The Muppets Christmas Carol is my personal favourite Christmas movie and would be the one that I would choose to put on in the background whilst doing some sewing. Let me know in the comments what your favourite Christmas movie is. Pop it on, get yourself a nice hot chocolate, and by the end of the movie you could have 6 gorgeous gifts made out of just one set of fat quarters. I absolutely love packs of fat quarters. There is something just so satisfying about a bundle of fabrics that are all designed to coordinate and go together, and there's such a vast range of prints available out there. Traditionally, fat quarters are used for quilting, but there are so many other uses for fat quarters. In dressmaking, you can use them as pocket bags or as little accents, maybe a button placket or an undercollar or something like that. But there's also loads of different things that you can make, from accessories to homewares, and I have hundreds of tutorials on my website. I've picked 6 of my favorites and I've managed to make all 6 out of just one set of fat quarters. I've even put together a really handy PDF that you can get in your inbox when you subscribe to my newsletter. I will leave a link in the video description below. And when you get that email, you'll also get the links to those 6 tutorials so you don't have to go hunting around for them. First up, zipper bags. These are really satisfying projects to make. They're probably the most in-depth out of all of the projects, but they're still really, really speedy, and you can get 2 out of the collection that I've put together. You'll need a 9-inch zip and some interfacing, which is going to give it some stability, along with the fact that it's boxed on the bottom, which means it stands up really nicely. I also love that they're lined, so you can have some fun with your fabrics, choose a different one for the inside from the outside. And I think this would be really cute to give with something inside. So it could be makeup if you're giving it to someone who's a fan of makeup and products like that, or maybe stationery. It could be a pencil case. I think it would make a nice part of something a bit bigger, or it would be really lovely on its own as well. Next up, reusable face wipes. I have made loads of these in the past. They last really well. I probably would replace them once a year, but they wash up really nicely. Top tip, you would need to put them in one of those laundry bags to stop them getting sucked into the drum of your machine. But these are a seriously quick make. Use some terry toweling, or you can even reuse an actual towel to make these. And it's just squares of fabric placed right sides together, sewn, turn through and top stitched, and you've got 12 reusable face wipes. Again, I think this would work really nicely as part of like a hamper, maybe a beauty hamper. You could put some face wash in there, you could put an eye mask, some slippers, something like that. I think that would be a really cute gift. Hair scrunchies. I love making hair scrunchies. Again, a really quick, simple project. You just sew a strip of fabric together and turn it around the right way, put some elastic inside, stitch it all together, and you've got a scrunchie. You can even use, there will be some sort of scraps of fabric left over at the end if you use my cutting guide, which you could make a little bow to attach onto it. And I think this would be really cute as like a kid's hamper. Little girls with long hair, you could make a hamper with some other goodies for them. Pajamas, a book, hair scrunchies, that kind of thing would be so cute. Next up is one for the book lover in your life. This is a little bookmark. It's got a little triangle, so you would just put that on the corner of your book. And the tutorial also has ideas for how to make a padded book sleeve as well. And I think this would work really lovely as part of a hamper for the book lover. A new book, some tea or hot chocolate or coffee, some biscuits, your bookmark, book sleeve. I think that would be really lovely. The last gift in the collection is a lanyard. So you could put your keys or a name tag or something like this. I think this would be really good as part of a hamper for maybe a colleague at work or a teacher gift or something like that, along with a mug or a voucher or something. I think this would be really good. This is probably the quickest make out of the lot. It is just strips of fabric sewn together and then the lanyard attached at the end. You could also add a cute little label that's maybe personal to the person you're giving it to. Again, really cute, really quick, super, super simple. And finally, you need a bag to put it all in. A lovely reusable fabric gift bag. I love this one. It's got a really nice deep top to it, so it creates this effect which I think looks really nice. You can put some ribbon or some gold or metallic cord or Christmassy ribbon through it, so you can tie it up. It fits. All of these projects fit within this bag. I have tested it out, so you can get quite a lot in there. Other things can go in as well, obviously, but yeah, little gift bag to put everything in to gift on Christmas Day. Perfect. Those are some really quick, simple, thoughtful handmade gifts that you can get out of just one set of fat quarters and an afternoon in front of the TV. Perfect. Remember, in my newsletter, if you subscribe to my newsletter, you can get my cutting guide and all the links to the tutorials, so head on over and do that. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you all soon. Bye.